You know that moment when you and a friend blurt out the exact same thing at the exact same time? Or when you've walked next to someone where your footsteps match up exactly? For a split second, it feels like magic. These moments feel so good because they are incredibly rare. For the majority of the time, humans are chaotic and there's no rhythm at all. We talk over each other, we bump shoulders in the hallway, and we constantly get stuck behind other people. We spend most of our time unaligned with the people around us. But what if we could lock into a perfect rhythm permanently? What if every human suddenly synced up? When I say in sync, I don't mean everyone turns into a robot. Being in sync means the total elimination of friction. It means your timing, your actions, and your speed perfectly complement the people around you, creating a seamless, uninterrupted flow. To understand what this would look like, we first need to understand how painful it can be when we're out of sync. Let's start small. You're walking down a hallway, someone is walking towards you, and you both step to the left, then to the right, trapping each other in an awkward, mirrored shuffle. It's a small, embarrassing failure of human coordination, where our brains try to predict each other's rhythm, but completely miss. Now, imagine a typical checkout line at the grocery store. The person at the front takes an extra 30 seconds to dig out the exact change. That doesn't just delay them. Because they're out of sync with the cashier's flow, the next person is delayed, and the next, compounding those 30 seconds into hours of wasted time across dozens of people. So, what if we delete all of that friction? Imagine the world, but now perfectly in sync. Traffic lights would become entirely obsolete. Imagine a massive, four-way intersection where cars never actually stop. Every driver is perfectly aligned in terms of speed and timing, so they would weave through the intersection at full speed, perfectly, missing each other by inches without a single collision. Beyond the roads, global workflows and supply chains would become perfectly efficient. Think about a massive, complex project. Instead of waiting for emails or dealing with delayed handoffs, tasks would be passed along like a baton in a relay race at the precise millisecond the next person is ready. Products would be manufactured and delivered at the exact second a consumer needs them, completely eliminating warehouses, waste, and shortages. A perfectly synced world would be an amazing miracle of efficiency. There would be no delays, no waiting, no awkwardness. But is this actually what we want? Maybe friction isn't always a bad thing. Without friction, you would never get a spark. The awkward misunderstandings often turn into our best stories. The annoying detours force us to actually look up from our routines and see the world around us. So yes, if we were completely predictable and perfectly in sync all of the time, we would be more efficient. But would we actually be solving all our problems? Or will we just be deleting what makes us uniquely human?